In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to map L4 and R4 buttons on your 8BitDo Ultimate 2 controller. So the first thing we need to do is to either map our L4 button right here, as you can see, or the R4 button right here. So basically what you need to do is to firstly click on either, it depends on what type of button you want to map, of course, but I'm just going to click on L4 here, and then I'm going to click also on the button that I want to be able to map. So for example, this one right here. So you can see I'm holding both of them at the same time, and then click on this button right here. You can just click one time right here, as you can see, and that should actually map that button. And you can do the exact same thing with this button, R4, as well. And then let's take maybe this button and then click once again on that one. And actually I think we need to turn it back on to be able to do it. Yep, so turn it back on, then click this one, then this one, and then this one. And basically that is exactly how to actually do this.